Advanced Audit and Assurance, one of the important subjects to be selected in optional level exams of ACCA. Knowledge of audit and assurance is very important for a student, either he wants to go for an audit firm or he wants to go for a corporate career. Those students who aim to go for audit firm, obviously the knowledge and skills of auditing will be very important for them. Similarly, those students who want to go for a corporate career, for them also the knowledge of auditing is very important, because an accountant at some level has to interact with an auditor, and company value those accountants who have knowledge and skills about the auditing approach. The course outline and the structure of Advanced Audit and Assurance is designed in such a way that it equips the students with all required knowledge and skills of auditing and assurance. My course structure is designed in such a way that I give practical insight to my students when I'm teaching them this course. I'm Owais Mirchawala, Director and Faculty at Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy. I'm the star faculty of Advanced Audit and Assurance, and I have more than 15 students who have secured nationwide positions in this exam and they have studied from me. I've been teaching this course for more than a decade, and I'll make sure that my students pass this exam in first attempt. My online classes are not just a bunch of few lectures. Rather, it's a complete course package in which you get recorded lectures on all the topics, you get topical past paper practice, you get homework and assignment on which I give personalized feedback to my students. Then there are past paper revision sessions at the end of the course, and then there are 3 mock exams on which I give personalized feedback to my students. The most important thing, I don't leave my students after just giving them lectures. I give them personalized query support. I'm connected with them on my WhatsApp so they can connect with me, ask any queries, send their assignments, send their mocks for their feedback. Now, along with these detailed course package, our specialized learning management system also contribute towards passing of the students. On our learning management system, there is a testing system which replicates the actual exam structure of ACCA, which gives students an idea and practice about the actual exam paper from the very first day. So if you want to pass your exam in first attempt, if you want to become a place winner, the Mirchawala Institute has a legacy of more than 160 nationwide positions secured by students in all exams of ACCA. And in AAA specifically, we have more than 15 nationwide positions. So if you want to become one of them, if you want to pass your exam in first attempt, do join my course. You can watch demo lectures, testimonial and everything on the given page of the website, and you can enroll through the website also. If you have any query, you can always connect with me on my direct WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone.